Hello everyone, I will discuss to you about international market research, how it works, and why it is important. First, I will give you a situation, some of questions, and I will answer it to enlighten you about international market research. The situation is, the COVID-19 pandemic is finally over. You just won a free trip to abroad. All expenses will be paid with a sponsor. No spending limits, sky's the limit. Question: what country will you choose and why? What activities will you do and or places in the country you will go to? How did you know about those things you just have mentioned? For example, you wanted to go to Paris, Korea, or China. In Paris, you will see the Eiffel Tower. In Korea, you will meet the K-pop idols. And in China, you will see thousands of companies producing products exported worldwide. The question is, where did you know about those places you wanted to go? The simple answer is because of information. Information we get in social media, television, or any platform telling about those countries. In order for us to decide whether we want to go, we need information. We need the proper data. We need the proper reports in order for the decision makers to have a sound and variable decisions for the business. To start with, international business success depends on many critical factors that requires detailed analysis, and many of the data that can guide global companies come from international market research. As we understand, we need to gather more information or data so that decision makers, especially the top management of every organization, can have their self decision for this business. The decision will benefit the organization. International market research is a particular discipline of market research, focusing on certain geographical areas. International market research is just a sub-subject of market research. International market research is like science which have branches. Like that, one of the branches of market research is the international research, which focuses on the geographical areas, or it means different countries worldwide. These countries will be the target of a study, services, or questionnaires because the data that we need is coming from those target places. International market research is concerned with consumer goods, but also with any resource service within a value chain which will be commercially utilized or further processed, which is the area of industrial goods and B2B marketing. When we say B2B marketing, it is a business to business transaction. One example is you buy a product to a company which also produce a product for your business. Example for this is the garments. International market research projects may have various objectives and purposes. It means it is your study about customer satisfaction or test a product if it is viable or not. The question is, why should you do this? Why should we need to do this? We should need to do this to think of the business we want to put up on a particular place, if this product will be successful or it will fail. Unless you have lived and worked in the target country long enough to feel like a local, what you know about the country is almost zero. So everything you need to know to ensure the smooth entry of your business and attract the local customers would come from international market research. For example, not all products that viable in our country will be viable to other countries. Not all marketing strategy is, for example, in India, will be applicable to other countries. Each country is distinct into one another because of our tradition, culture, lifestyle, and weather condition. You must understand that the response of other cultures to new products, marketing efforts, even to new businesses would be different. In Africa, for example, they think that the image on the product label indicates the content of the package. Thus, when the Gerber Baby food series was introduced in the continent, it failed miserably because the label on the bottle shows the image of a cute white baby. Some cultures even find new uses for products that are different to the product's intended use. As we can see on the picture, the face, um, there is a face of a baby in the packaging of the gerber. African people as expected. Then when they open the can, a baby will appear, but definitely they are wrong. Other example is one of the example is your packaging is banana. Then the buyer will expect also that inside of the packaging is a banana. The Gods Must Be Crazy movie is an example of the proper research in order for us to know if the buyer know about our product or what they know about the packaging. The details of the product we are selling. Um, let's go to classical market research. Classical market research very often covers cross-country issues. Some question but being raised internationally. This may, however, lead to differing answers from country to country. Due to historical or cultural reasons, this implies that country-specific answers will also lead to internationally differing marketing decisions. It means that they are have the same questions, same questionnaires, same setup, but because we have different audience, like for example, conducting research in Middle East, US, China, Japan, England, or France. We will give them same question, same words, but since there is difference in culture, difference in beliefs, difference in history or vision, these countries will come up with different answers to these questionnaires. The goal of international market is to let us know our target market. To let us know our target market, conducting we will know the beliefs, culture, traditions, what is the needs and on that specific countries. Research topics usually includes the following aspects. Development of customer needs and customer desires. As we understand, we need to know the needs, one, so that we can make our product personalized so we can follow it to the needs of the consumers. Number two, customer perception of the company compared to competitors' company. It means that what is the opinion or feedbacks of the consumers about the product comparing to other competitors. Number three, performance and efficacy of marketing tools such as product and services, branding, direct sales and distribution channels, communication including internet marketing, pricing, all this being challenged by standardization, world product, or country-specific features, locally specialty. It means that what marketing strategy we can apply on that country. For example, here in the Philippines, because Jollibee is patok sa lasa ng Pinoy, so it is most sellable item than the McDonald products. Research topics usually include the following aspects: marketing innovation, new business models and billing schemes, new variation of marketing tools, new technology applications, 5 service quality of business relations between customers and salespersons or service technicians to be examined by mystery shopping. Number 6, openness for and acceptance of new technology applications. Every country is to produce their own product using modern technologies or new trends. We are, as an employing a machine, it can produce thousands of products. Strategic projects within international corporate planning and globalization affect a firm's new business development. These projects may include very differing objectives, for instance, evaluation and selection of target markets, examining market potentials, market attractiveness, market barriers, intensity of competition, sales channels, customer segments, and others more. Preparation for new sales and market entry, profiling and prioritizing of prospective customers, providing short list of target customers, turnkey ready for sales managers, short list of resellers, distributors, intermediaries, and logistics or other service facilities. Procurement out of new vendors, profiling evaluation, selection of suppliers, clarification of detailed questions such as transportation, custom duties, payment procedures, and others more. These projects may include very differing objectives, for instance, shift of production, country comparison, execution of feasibility studies, data research for manufacturers, suppliers, manufacturing, facilities, personnel, and others more. Identify new technology and applications abroad. Cover a by far larger geographical territory enabled by newest digital intelligence tools and AI marketing. Takeover of competitors in target markets, again creations of long and short list, profiling, contracting, negotiating, due diligence, and others more. All these examples mean that accurate, complete, and updated pieces of information are delivered to come to sound decision. Usually, there is a clear geographical focus on specific country markets. Why is international market research so important? Market research is not only need by salespeople, sales department, but also need by new business development department. Because new business development department focus of what are the new business opportunities to know if the product is saleable or not. This is the sample of Villar from Inquirer.net. Villar hits the for high budget on corn research. Baliw kayo sa research. International market research shall identify new business opportunities and help assure a so-called area strategy which defines which geographical hemisphere needs to be covered. Next is generally market research intends to provide new ideas, comparisons, and control information for marketing deciders. These deciders are found not only in marketing and sales, import and export positions, but also in new business development, in a strategy, staff, in corporate planning departments, and of course within top management. International market research provides an information based on strategic decisions. Here, competitive information needs to be available early, fastly, and with the right filter. What needs to be considered when executing international market research? Strategic decision making requires an outstandingly high quality information base. This is the most important factor why we do conduct research. We need the right information during the right time and the essence of research. Therefore, international market research projects have to consider the following. Globalization experts are featured by a product and industry knowledge, industry-specific experiences, methodological know-how like research methods, information access, specializing in commercial data, reputation, expert with door opener quality and international experience, language skills, and others more. So it means global experts are those people that they can get informations, advice, or opinions, or when where we are going to expand our products. They are aware of global economics work. Competitive information needs the right focus but also needs to be provided fastly and early enough in order to be effective. When we do conduct market research, we are spending because it means conducting research, it is an expenses. If we have some information with that research, we need to make a way to give it to our company. It will be our competitive advantage to our competitors. This advantage will help your company utilize or optimize your product. Information should be retrieved exclusively for your company. If all the industry enjoys the information, there will not be any competitive again. Procurement of information may be done by internal staff, sales force, international research department, but also by such type of external market intelligence specialists who are working in the international field. This is my presentation and good day everyone.